Once upon a time, we used to go sailing on these boats. This is Uncle Donald's boat, and they're coming over for old Gaffer's party tonight. And my dad, who is taking these pictures, he's the president of the.
What you would do? We'll just go over and get yours and bring it in, either tie it up or anchor it or something.
If there's any room there. If not, I'll just anchor it.
Yeah, I see one, medium-sized boat tied up.
Oh, is it Sullivan's?
And then we can work it. We can work it right the time between the boats. You can just bring it right into the.
Sure.
Into the.
Yeah, I mean you
truck.
should be one of the first ones out anyway. And then you go on the half tide.
We get a ride out.
Guy from the Han was fixing that up, wasn't he? Some guy grew up around here. I think that was launched right about the time we put ours back in.
Wow.
Here it
Somebody
comes.
go with him?
Here comes the eagle.
Can somebody go with him?
No. You couldn't.
Daddy. Daddy, there's like a ball right next to Sea Watcher.
Here she comes.
Want some bait?
We'll be looking. Yeah, we'll be thinking about this in February, huh? You got anything to say for the wintertime audience here, Uncle Donald?
I can't hear you.
You have anything to say for the wintertime audience that's going to watch this?
Yeah. Not ain't it cold.
Not only does he catch him, he catches him.
Good catch.
I'm about to push
Oh,
off.
here we go.
Here we go.
Freshening up.
Naturally.
These are creepy. Look at that same boat.
You want somebody with you? You want one of us with you to drop the hook? You're studying this for the water line. Our water line's perfect, isn't it?
Flag signal.
What a dish. Figure I've got enough pictures of the bottom of your boat. Jones come down when we grounded her out.
Back in,
It's nice to see the rest.
are we on stage?
Yeah.
Huh?
Yeah. Suitable for TV.
Back into the boat when you see anything else of it.
Ah. Yeah, we were keeping up pretty good as
We were going like hell.
as half mucked up as our sail was.
I'll tell you, on the engine, that thing goes like that. I couldn't catch you coming in, Len.
Oh, baloney. I was talking about when we were getting right in the Great White North. Dun 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 dun.